Now first of all we are going to read the question over here, and the question is question number 3 of exercise 4.1. Triangle RST similar to triangle XYZ. Triangle RST similar to triangle XYZ. In triangle RST, RS is 4.5 centimeter. Angle RST is 40 degree and ST is equal to 5.7 centimeter. Means they have given us two sides and among middle their angle. Construct triangle RST and triangle XYZ. Construct triangle RST and triangle XYZ such that RS is to XY, RS is to XY is 3 is to 5. It indicates that if RS is 3 times, then XY is 5 times. Remember, in this triangle RST and XYZ problems, points are separated. And second, RS is 3 times, then XY is 5 times. Means triangle RST is smaller triangle and triangle XYZ is a larger or greater triangle. So student, as per the data, I have drawn first two rough diagrams so that we can easily understand the part. We have to consider triangle RST and triangle XYZ. So I have drawn triangle RST and XYZ. Now, as per their data, RS is 4.5. RS is 4.5 centimeter. Angle RST is 40 degree. RST means this angular position they have given us as 40 degree, and your distance ST is 5.7 centimeter, and in this case they have given RS is to XY 3 is to 4, means RS is to XY. So they have given proportionate relation between these two, RS and XY. So they have given RS is to XY and this value is 3 is to 4, 3 is to 5. So you have to understand, if this side is 3 times, then this side is 5 times. But here RST are 3 points, XYZ are 3 points. These are separate points. Naturally, first triangle and second triangle, total both the triangles are different. Means we have to do the calculation over here. So be ready for calculation. Okay student, now in this case they have given triangle RST similar to triangle XYZ. We know that when two triangles are similar, their respective sides are in proportion. So writing one by steps and the part is. So in triangle RST, they have given triangle RST is similar to triangle XYZ. They have given it. So we are writing a reason as given. When two triangles are similar, then their sides are in proportion. Therefore, RS upon XY, RS upon XY is equal to ST upon YZ is equal to ST upon YZ is equal to RT upon XZ is equal to RT upon XZ. And for that part, your reason become corresponding sides of similar triangles. But in this case, additional part that they have given, RS is to XY, RS is to XY is 3 is to 4. They have given RS is to XY 3 is to 5. So RS is to XY, RS is to XY, they have given 3 is to 5. And this is the main turning step. Now one by one, next evaluation. They have also given some of the sides over here. What is exactly? RS, as per their data, RS is 4.5. So I am writing 4.5 divided by XY. This is unknown for S. ST upon YZ. ST upon YZ means 5.7 divided by YZ. So it become 5.7 divided by YZ. RT, remember RT is unknown for us and XZ is also unknown for us. So RT upon XZ. So both the values are unknown, and again this ratio is 3 is to 5. So again this ratio is 3 is to 5. Your reason remains same, corresponding sides of similar triangles. And in this way, additional part they have given, if angle RST is 40 degree, RST is 40 degree, then your angle XYZ is also 40 degree. Reason, corresponding angles of similar triangle. So you can also add a part. Therefore, angle S is congruent to angle Y is equal to 40 degree, and here your reason become corresponding angles of similar triangles. And Now the next part is for the diagram and pattern. Okay, now we are moving over here for the calculation, and the part is 4.5 upon xy. 4.5 upon xy is equal to 3 by 5. Here I am trying to find out the value of xy. So the part is 4.5 upon xy is equal to 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5. Now making by cross multiplication, and the part is therefore xy is equal to 4.5 into 5. So it becomes 4.5 into 5 divided by 3. Now making it simplification over here, and part is 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are and 3 fives are. So it becomes 1.5 and 1.5 into 5. So 1.5 into 5, that become 15 5s are 75, means 7.5 centimeter. That is xy over here. Now your next calculation over here, 5.7 upon yz is equal to 3 by 5. So here value 5.7 upon yz is equal to 3 by 5. Naturally yz is equal to 5.7 into 5. So it becomes 5.7 into 5 divided by 3. Again dividing it by 3. 3 ones are 3, and here 3 ones are 3 and 27. So 3 nines are. So it becomes 1.9 into 5, and the part is. So 1.9 into 5, 1.9 into 5, that becomes 95, means 9.5 centimeter, and that is the value of your yz. So remember it carefully. You are able to get all the part over here. Means according to your diagram point of view, your xy is 7.5. Means your xy that you are supposed to draw as a 7.5. And next yz, that is 9.5. yz is 9.5. In this way, we are going to draw two triangles first. Triangle RST having RS 4.5, angle S 40 degree, ST is 5.7, and in triangle XYZ, XY is 7.5, RY is equal to 40, and YZ is equal to 9.5. In this way, you are going to draw a diagram. Now in this case, we are moving to the diagram, and the part is, first your diagram in terms of a data is RS is 4.5, angle RST is 40 degree, and ST is equal to 5.7. So first of all, I am going to draw a rough tentative base over here. In this case, ST is 5.7. So I am going to take first point S, and S to T, I have to take it as a 5.7. So the part is, in this case, I have to take it as a 5.7. So I am taking a distance over here, 5.7. So the part is, S to T, this distance is 5.7. So this becomes 5.7 centimeter. Next, we have a next part, that this angle S or RST is 40 degree. So I am going to take a measurement of angle 40 degree over here, and the part is, you are going to take half rounder or half circle over here, and with the help of 10, 20, 30, 40. So this marking point is over here, and now I am going to draw here an angle from S in this direction. Now again, we know one part. What is exactly that? From R to S, this distance is 4.5. So again, in a rounder, I am going to take a distance 4.5 centimeter over here, and going to make a mark, and now I am going to get fixed position of point R. Now simply, I have to join the part over here, RT, in this diagram. So what exactly data is available with you? This RS is 4.5 centimeter. This angle S is respectively 40 degree, and ST is equal to 5.7 centimeter. In a same fashion, we have to draw a second triangle also, and the part is, we have to draw a second triangle, and the name of this triangle is RST. Among them, after RST, we have to draw XYZ. So in XYZ, you know XY is 7.5 centimeter. YZ is 9.5 centimeter. So first of all, I'm going to draw a base YZ over here. In this case, first of all, I'm going to draw a base YZ over here, which is of 9.5 centimeter. So taking a point Y over here and Y to Z, that is 9.5 centimeter. So taking that marking over here, and the part is, this diagram is somehow bigger comparatively to first few diagrams. So take a proper sizing in your notebook. So from Y to Z, this distance is 9.5 centimeter. Now again you have to generate an angle of 40 degree over here. So taking that angle from Y, and that is also of 40 degree. So again you are taking your half circle over here, and the part is 10, 20, 30, 40. So I'm going to make a marking of a 40 dot over here. Again you have to enlarge the scale over here and extend the part. Means from point Y, you have to extend this part. Now you are able to get a value at Y, and that is of 40 degree. So this 40 degree value is over here. Now moving to the part from Y to X, that distance you have to measure and the part to be taken into consideration. The values are, here you know that X to Y, this distance we have calculated, X to Y, that is 7.5. So taking that distance over here, 7.5. So part is X to Y, that is 7.5. So from X to Y, this arc I am going to make over here, and now I am able to get the point X over here. So here X to Y, this distance is 7.5 centimeter. Lastly, at the end, just you have to simply join the part with X and Z. And in this way, your triangle XYZ having XY, that is 7.5, having angle Y as a 40 degree, and YZ, which is 9.7, is over here. Students, please pay attention. As I have written a structure as per the board size, you are supposed to write it properly on your notebook, and you can just draw a diagram at the basement in front of each other so that you can have a part. And as this distance 9.5 centimeter is a larger, you can draw one diagram above and second diagram below. But remember, do it properly and do not remove these extra curve marks which is coming in your diagram. And the main part is that sometime in some books they are also indicated by rays. You can also indicate it by rays or segment depending upon your time. Okay student, once again we are in problem number 4 of exercise 4.1 and the part is, आपका 4.1 का first part है. In case of 4.1, numerical number 4 and the part is, triangle AMT is similar to triangle AHE. In the first step only you can understand. Here point A and point A is a common over here. So in triangle AMT similar to triangle AHE, so A is a common. In triangle AMT, AM is 6.3 centimeter, angle TAM is 50 degree and AT is 5.6. Means they have provided you AM also with 6.3 centimeter, AT also 5.6, and the middle angle A, that is TAM, is 50 degree. Means you can easily draw this triangle. AM upon AH is 7:5. AM upon AH is 7:5. If AM is 7 times, then AH is 5 times. In short, triangle AMT is 7 times, then triangle AHE 5 times. It indicates that your triangle AMT is larger in size and your triangle AHE is smaller in size. Construct triangle AHE. Remember, this is the part over here. Okay, for your understanding, I have drawn two rough diagrams and I am going to indicate the symbolic presentation. Here they have given angle TAM, means angle A is 50 degree. Students, so as A angle is given over here, you are supposed to draw it at a bottom. Means hook or crook, I have to take A at a bottom in the first stage. So I am going to give this triangle. The name is AMT. So I am using AMT. Why? Because I can draw my angle A 50 degree with the basement support. Now addition to that, they have given AM is 6.3. AM, this is 6.3, and AT is 5.6, AT is 5.6. So I can draw this triangle. But addition to that, they have given another part, means triangle AHE. So starting from AHE. So these are the values with you, and the part is, if triangle AHE is given to you, in this case you don't have any value from the reference over here, but as a property of similarity you can use only one part, that if angle A is 50 over here, naturally this angle is also 50 degree. And the secondary part, AM is to AS, AM is to AH, AM is to AH is 7 is to 5. Means if this side is 7 times, if this side is 7 times, this AH is 5 times. Naturally you can say your H will be somewhere over here, and it is inside this triangle. Okay, now student, we have drawn a rough diagram, and from rough diagram we are able to get an idea what is exactly. We can draw triangle AMT like this, where AM is 6.3, AT is 5.6 and angle A is 50 degree. Also we can draw AHE, where angle A is 50 degree. But in this case, you should know your point A. Your point A is available in both the triangle. So starting or generating that diagram over here, AM and AH is on same horizontal line. So first of all, as per data, I am going to draw a diagram, and the part is. So first draw horizontal line and give any basement point as the name A. Why? Because A is your generating or starting point over here. So your point is A. Next, moving to the part over here. A to M, that is 6.3. A to M, that is 6.3. So you have to draw a point M over there. In this case, again I am going to take my own type of technique, that is a rounder method over here. Student, you take your rounder and properly take a distance A to M, that is 6.3. So taking a distance over here, 6.3. So from A to M, this evaluation become 6.3 centimeter. Now you have to draw angle A of 50 degree. In this case, when you want to draw a 50 degree, you can take your protractor over here, a semicircle, and you can have the part is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here I am able to get a position. This angle should be measured very properly and very accurately. So I am going to draw another next ray or line over here. Now, what exactly the part that available with us? Now we are drawn this angle A, and this is exactly equal to 50 degree. So your second part is get completed. Now A to T, this is 5.6. So you have to take point A to T, 5.6, where we don't know exactly position. So again taking a distance in a rounder, that is a 5.6, and the part is from A to that point over here. With the normal curve, you can get the position of T. So here T is over here, and from A to T, this distance is 5.6 centimeter. Now you can complete your diagram which is given over here, and the part is complete this structure and your first triangle, where triangle AMT, where AM is 6.3, angle TAM is 50 degree, and AT is 5.6. This part is already ready over here. Now we have to move for triangle AHE, and definitely it is inside. Why? Because as per their condition, AM is to AH is 7 is to 5, AM is to AH is 7 is to 5, means when it is 7 times, it is 5 times. But in this case, now you have to break AM, in 7 parts, so that you can get the 7th position as well as in 5th position. Now we have to split this AM, in 7 equal parts, and in that case students are supposed to take proper precautions. Here I am going to draw one line, such that it makes an angle like tentatively 10 degree, 15 degree, 20 degree, 25 degree, depending upon your paper and availability of space. So here I am going to draw a rough tentative lines which is having starting or originating point, which is A over there. Now First step is get completed. Now in a rounder, you can take a distance like 1 centimeter or 1.5 centimeter. Here I am going to take a distance of 1 centimeter only. And here I am going to draw arc. Remember, your starting point or 0 point is over here, and you are taking pointed head and pencil head. Means my rounder with containing marker is nothing but a pencil head. And the part is, from A to this part, I have to make total 7 marks. So starting first arc, second arc, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. If your line is incomplete, then extend with the help of scale, because straight line is already available with you. And in this way, you have completed the part. This is your starting point, means 0. So I am going to start. This is nothing but my A1. This point is nothing but my A2. This point is nothing but my A3. This point is nothing but A4. Next point is A5. Next point is A6. And last point is A7. In this way, you can complete the part. Now remember, your 7th position connected with M. Your 7th position is get connected with M. And the part is, so here, your 7th position is M. So here, with the help of dotted line, I am going to join A7 with this M. Remember, if you are taking this small distance, it may possible that your A1, A2, A3, A4, your A7 may be over here. It depends upon if you are taking 1, 1.5 or 2 centimeter. Depending upon that structure, this can be moved. So it may possible that for some student, this gap will be smaller, or for some students, the gap will be larger. Now, if AM is 7, then AH is 5. Then AH is a 5. Means in a reverse order, you have to come inside. If you need a help, then you can take a marking of 6th and 5th position in a reverse manner. What does it mean? As you are able to get the 7th position from here, M to A7, in that case, keep your scale over here parallel to this line, drag it in a backward, take the position of 6th also. No doubt it is not required, but it is helpful for you that if you draw additional line, again drag your scale over here in a backward direction and take the 5th position. In this way, you can also draw 4th, 3rd, 2nd position also, but we need 5th position reference A5, and this is your point, and this point is nothing but H. So indicating that part H over here. Now you are able to get the value of point H. So your A, H and E is somewhere over here. How to draw E? Again, you have to take a parallel line to TM. You have to take parallel line to TM, and you have to drag your scale in downward direction over here, and from H you have to draw a complete structure. Now why I have not taken a next line over here? The reason behind is that there are only two triangles, AMT, AMT and AH and E. And in this way you can complete your diagram. In this way you can complete your diagram. So there are two parts. One is the triangle AMT, AMT and second is AHE. In this way, you can draw your entire diagram. So student, you are supposed to do a practice, not by verbal, what I am conducting a lecture. Just observation is not a part. You have to draw actual diagram on your notebook and have a continuous practice. And please observe our videos and lecture.